The date of birth is a crucial piece of information that impacts various aspects of an individual's life, from education and career to legal matters. However, errors in recording this vital information are not uncommon. This video explores the legal position and procedures for correcting the date of birth in 3 important documents: the Service Book for Government Employees, Passports, and the Register of Births and Deaths. For government employees, the process of correcting the date of birth in their service book is governed by specific government orders, notably the Government Order of 1991 and the Circular of 2008. These orders were issued to address the growing tendency of employees seeking corrections near their retirement, a practice the government aimed to discourage. According to these orders, applications for correction must be made within 5 years of entering government service. For employees who had completed 5 years of service as of December 30th, 1991, a 1-year grace period was given, provided they had at least 2 years of service remaining before retirement. Applications must be submitted to the administrative department through proper channels, and for those who attended school, must be supported by attested copies of SSLC book or corrected school records. It's important to note that correction in school records alone does not automatically entitle an employee to a correction in their service book. Each case is considered on its own merits by the government, and applications for condonation of delay or relaxation of time limits are to be summarily rejected. The government has emphasized strict adherence to these guidelines, as noted in the 2008 circular following a Kerala High Court judgment. It's crucial to understand that the correction of date of birth in the service book is not a statutory right but a concession, and employees are generally stopped from contending that their date of birth was wrongly entered in the service book. This strict approach underscores the importance of verifying and ensuring the accuracy of this information early in one's career. The procedure for correcting the date of birth in passports has evolved over time. Prior to 2008, corrections were made based on orders from judicial magistrates. However, the current process is governed by circulars issued by the Ministry of External Affairs. Now, the concerned individual can approach the passport issuing authority directly for correction. If necessary, they can then approach a civil court for a declaratory order. This approach simplifies the process for passport holders, allowing for a more direct route to correction. For corrections in the Register of Births and Deaths, the process is governed by Section 15 of the Registration of Births and Deaths Act, 1969, and Rule 11 of the Kerala Registration of Births and Deaths Rules, 1999. These provisions grant the registrar the authority to correct errors in form or substance in the register. For clerical or formal errors, the registrar can make corrections after due inquiry. In cases of errors in substance, the registrar may make corrections upon receiving a declaration from 2 credible persons with knowledge of the facts. All corrections must be reported to the state government or a designated officer. In cases of fraudulent or improper entries, the registrar must report to an officer authorized by the chief registrar before taking action. The law allows for the correction of genuine mistakes in the Register of Births and Deaths, and affected parties can apply to the registrar, who is obligated to entertain and inquire into such applications. This process provides a mechanism for individuals to rectify errors in their official birth records, which can have significant implications for various aspects of their lives. In conclusion, there are ways and means to correct the genuine mistakes of date of birth in the Register of Births and Deaths as well as in passport. But the date of birth of a government employee in the service book cannot be corrected after 5 years of his entering into government service. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.